Happy New Year! Welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the tech show about hacking. In this video, I'm gonna talk about a story of someone using a Flipper Zero hacking device in public. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I got ring dark. So recently, this individual had an experience that reinforced the significance of radio frequency security. Sitting in a Singaporean restaurant located in Hong Kong, this person found themselves amidst a perfect opportunity to test their Flipper Zero, which is a multi-purpose hacking device that fits right onto their pocket. So let's set the scene. The restaurant was bustling, but amidst the clatter and chatter, a distinctive sound stood out. The ring of the pickup device signaling that an order was ready. Other than enjoying the delicious fishball noodles with kaya toast, this person decided to utilize their Flipper Zero to capture and replay this signal, essentially enabling the device to sound again at their command. Now experiment. The Flipper Zero is an all-in-one tool for pen testers and hardware hackers, providing functionalities like signal capturing and replaying. This capability made it perfect for this experiment. The device operates in a frequency range around 433 megahertz, making it able to interact with a variety of everyday devices, including the restaurant's pickup device. Yeah, this person simply started the scanning mode. It is more or less passive scanning of the Flipper Zero at the frequency of 433 megahertz. As this person learned, most of the food order pickup device is within range of 424 megahertz and 469 megahertz. Fortunately, there are customers' orders can be picked up in the neighboring table. This person can capture the signal as below. Peter, please put that on the screen. So this person simply saved the request for the replay purpose. So finally, this person attempted to verify their captured signal is valid and simply replay it to the wireless food order pickup device. This person replayed the signal, causing the device to sound again as if another order was ready. Now, the implications. While this may seem like a harmless prank, it underscores a significant security issue. In a world increasingly reliant on wireless communications, the ability to capture and manipulate signals can lead to serious breaches though. Imagine if the signal that this person captured wasn't from a restaurant's pickup device, but from a security system's door sensor or a car's key fob. The potential for misuse is immense, from causing minor inconveniences and confusion to facilitating unauthorized access and theft. So moreover, this experiment was conducted with a consumer device, which means anyone with a Flipper Zero and a little know-how could potentially do the same. It highlights the need for devices to use more secure methods of communication, such as encryption and rolling codes to protect against such threats. Please let me know what you think about this story in the comment section below. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell. I appreciate your viewership. See you on the next video.